In this lesson, I will explain to you how to make the ogive. So ogives use upper class boundaries or upper class limit and the cumulative frequencies of the classes. Suppose if you want to make an ogive, then you have to use upper class limit and boundaries and cumulative frequencies. So here I will explain to you with the help of this data how to make an ogive. So in first column is the class limit, and our class limit starts from 30 to 39. Second class limit is 40 to 49, and then 50 to 59, and so on. So 30 is the lower class limit, while 39 is called the upper class limit. Similarly, 40 is the lower class limit, 49 is the upper class limit, and so on. And these are the frequencies. The first class limit has 5 frequency, second class limit has the second frequency, that is 8, 15 is for the third class limit, and so on. So total of these frequencies are 77. And upper class limit, the third column is for the upper class limit. So see 39, 49, 59, 69, these are the upper class limit from the data. Here I will show you how to calculate the cumulative frequency, because in order to make an ogive, you have to use the cumulative frequencies. So first, always keep in mind that in Excel, the formula starts with equal to sign, and then instead of writing 5 with the help of keyboard, just use the cell reference. So see, this is the C8. If you do not know from here what is the cell reference, so this is called the name box. On name box, you can see C8 and then enter. So 5 will come up here. Now equal again this 8 plus C9 plus E8, enter, equal to 15 plus E9, enter, C11 plus E10, similarly C12 plus E11, 14, C13 cell references plus cell reference E12. So see, it is 77. So the cumulative frequency is also 77. It means this is right. So it means 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 19, 47, 47 plus 16, 63, and 63 plus 14, 77. So now we are going to make the ogive, and we will use these two columns, right? But one more thing, that ogive starts from 0 frequency, but we do not have a 0 frequency here. So we have to create one more cell here in order to write down the 0. So I will show you. First, you have to select these two cells, right click, insert, shift cells down. So see, it will come up here. So here you can write down 0, and here you have to write down the width. So see 39, 49, 59. So here 29 will come up. This is the width. Now we will use these two columns, because in order to make an ogive, you have to use the cumulative frequency as well as the upper class limit. Go to the insert and then scatter chart. We will use a scatter with the straight line and markers here. Right, I will move this chart here so it will be more clear. Right, so now it stretches to x-axis, so it means it starts from the 0 frequency. Here, if you want to write down the access title, here we will write down on y-axis. This is the cumulative frequency, so you can write down if you want. Cumulative frequency here, and this one is the upper class limit. On chart title, we can write down ogive. Right, open this. If you want, you can bring the data labels as well here, so it will show you that 39 is 5, and here 49, the cumulative is 13, and so on. Right, from here, if you want, you can change the color from here, but I will show you that when you select this graph, here, open this gallery, and how you want to show this to your audience. So I will say okay this time like this, but from here you can also change the color, what color you want, right? So I see this one is okay. So I think ogive is clear. So in ogive, always keep in mind you have to use cumulative frequencies as well as the upper class limit or boundaries. But still, if you have any question, please write down in the comment section and I will try my best to answer it. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sci-Mi Academy, and thanks for watching it.